Hi guys, let's do a quick one. Today I'm going to show you a very simple approach of offsetting multiple lines like this within seconds in Archicad. Go to the windows, click on it, click on palette and go down to this sign right here. Click on it, go down and click on control box. Make sure it's already on this line 2. Then click here and hold. Make sure you click on these double lines, click on it and click this magic wand. Then hover around the drawing you want to offset, hover around this here. As you can see, the color here has changed. Then click on it, you can see. Then you can give an offset. I'll give it 400. Then press 400 on the keyboard and press enter. You can see we have simultaneously offsetted all these lines like this. So this is how you are going to offset multiple times. Also click on this again to offset again, type 400 on the keyboard and press enter. You can see this is how to do that. And as for there's another thing I want to show you. Click this, hold on it and click these triple lines, click on it, click this magic wand. It's also the same method but slightly different. Click this and give an offset of 400, press enter. You can see we have offsetted the first one. You can see there is another one in, but this one is we are starting from this first line. We offsetted 400 inside, and to get this other offset we are going to press 400 plus 400, 800 on the keyboard, 800, press enter. You can see now to get the other one, 800 plus another 400, which is 12, press 12, then press enter on the keyboard. This is how you're going to continue offsetting them.